Until 11th month na the whole Ghana ne among any abrochenia obiati and car. I mean
well, my biggest surprise there, but make me say how Ghana for receive at the end, because as much as I thought say the area good no, now me say Ghana there. We don't really believe in positivity.
Many the Buzstop Boys.
The Buzstop Boys.
The Buzstop Boys.
The Buzstop Boys.
Buzstop Boys.
The Buzstop Boys.
Hey, me nja yo, me jine.
That within these 4 years, by the end of the 4 years of my term in office as president, Accra will be the cleanest city in Africa. That is where we want to get to.
Last year, I reiterated before you my pledge of improving sanitation in the country and making Accra the cleanest city in Africa by the end of my term. I said by the end of my term.
Enya bosha yefoforo magana fo. Nanso so. Yeni so ade hunu ene ye bra bona ye bono. Ene sa bosha yi eye pa na. Bosom ye twemu ne mo no. Pulse Nigeria eden krata bi beto abonten. Ehwe ahinkro anankro ahodo wo abibremu a emu ofepa no mudi omhuni. Inkronum a omubo mudin eye. Johannesburg, South Africa. Port Louis, Mauritius. Tunis, Tunisia. Cape Town, South Africa. Kigali, Rwanda. Ewum se yebano nkru emufe ene ho ahuni didia enye obia na one omu eye adwendie nanso ade baako da ne nso ne se odi wani hwe nkru ahodo a yi kyerew yi mu na omu nyina emu ate wan a efi ngekawa ene bola bia engu ho basabasa in crying so your crew a emu ofe nanso enye ndefa bia se wo sora kama party said you win nanso hwefam Legit.ng a bibremu news website ba kwa eno nso panifo kira ho akenkan fo nko esen opepem du 10 million monthly readers. Eno nso website age abodin ahodo age best news website 2021 Africa Digital Media Awards. Enche no muso di nkro aduonu emu nso ani emu ye fi emu ye taipa na emu nso ahomempo enkoyi bibrem ebeto dwa na so hwe sa list mu a enkran Ghana etoso nkron so hwe nsem omotro yi ni mu a omkoso asa kire mu se obankran a emframa bone edimu akotene pa na chese sumi na hye ka mu ntutu ekwan so mfutro ene mpo bidie ene ohyew basabasa eka ho ana ama mframa ye home o Ghana ha no ekum nipa dodo na de yare wanso emom na de ya ne se okoye kwan ho ahodo a obehu se bola anasumina egu ho bebre tantantan a yankyekireye anan fantofo pembia sɛ wote sɛ nnadeɛ ɛdwiri fam a na yɛ mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa bɛyɛ sɛ aduanan bi a ɔmode ɔmo ho asi hɔ sɛ yɛmpɔtɛmpɔtɛm ne yɛ mmeayɛ no ɔmbɛyɛ deɛ ɔmbɛtumi biara na yɛtumi atena mu asomdwe anya kwantenten so ɛmfa apɔmuden nsusuasoɔ bɔne biara mmerɛ abɔ anɔpa nnɔwɔtwe ɛda no yɛ benada ayɛ wo ho mmɔmmɔ bosome ne da ɛtɔ so 25 afempem 2024 mu na Kantanka TV yɛbɛpue ɔmo so ɛwɔ Ablekuma Olebu na deɛ yɛ nika ɛwɔ mabu no yɛ adwuma a ɔmo yɛ ho ne sɛ ɔmo de speaker si hɔ a ɛmmɔ ɔmo reggae morale. Sɛ jigumu na obi a wɔ hɔ biara no na n'ani abere a adwuma wɔ hɔ no ɔde ne ho agyim ebi dɔ ebi prapra mmeranteɛ no bi nso ato ɔmo ho asi hɔ a ɔmo gyina kwan ho ɛhwɛ sɛ ahyɛn ahodoɔ kɔ ɛne ahyɛn ahodoɔ ba no adwuma no nti ɛnyɛ basabasa deɛ yɛ nika wɔ ho ne sɛ mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa wɔ ha yi ɔmo bia ni hɔ a adwuma ɔmo yɛ yɛatu ɔmo ka sɛ ɔmo nyɛ ekuo ne din de Buzstop Boys na so wadi ɔmo akyi ɛwɔ social media kakra wonim sɛ ɔmo yɛ ɛyɛ de chain say.
For any drain to be completely buried by sand like this, it takes more than a year. This is before. As you can see, it appears like there is no drain. Now so gata ya said that atoyebo aye fefefe pa e from ho. Ti wo hwe no tie wo mu a ano na Buzstop Boys ye dege na ye tititi ne kakrakra ani gusu a o hwe. Ye titi gata simu nyina so ye adwuma ni nyina wie enso no. Na fi emu ada ho kama kama. Enu nti ma ensu ye toye no enya kwan ekọ kama kama.
10 years burial, but I no die. Take what's rightfully mine. Take what's rightfully mine. But that aside, you don't know me, you for cuckoo. I say this head bigger than your duku. Stubborn academy, we like
Before. During. After.
This is how the whole place looks like. It's amazing, it's beautiful.
If I mean Heneba Kojo Safo, me Heneba ne HENEBA Kojo Safo. Me ko school ewo Kissinger Baptist International School and me jaye and I'm call a friend say eko mo champion and I know me say jaye and I'm say call some Methodist school bi na ko wie because secondary school ewo nkoko senior high school. Shout out to all Cosecans. Me feel ohwi na me by University of Ghana and I'm say twice war and I'm wie na me de me yejuma be brave me I believe in say me am me niama say na be ya pe bia am person direction person me ko bia no the bia ni we be restricting me all my life there me je me am adwuma up until say be sua bibi in civil engineering as say me a champion when it comes to road construction I say so yeah Buzstop Boys na me here cover by any kind before Buzstop Boys me timi aka say tuwache largely of Ghana for mabuna. Yeah, so yes, of course, say o mind be here also be individually obi obi obetimi ayede aboa. Na yebota yekese ne say in the next 20-30 years sasasene say ya ye ne ebebre ye ne ma because by then they be more hit 40 na 50 wo na e be mo kra so obetimi anya accident am mo nan mu abu ntino ye mabu no a ye pese yesesa the narrative, you know, obi aka Ghana and Ghana on the internet easily say obi say you are ranking among the dirtiest country yeah, but I as Buzstop Boys is to be able to change that narrative and going forward about Ghana on the internet. Then I catch us say yes, it's one of the cleanest city on this planet Earth because here near the gateway to Africa, and we can only make the gateway clean to prove that indeed. Well, if you don't go through Ghana, you can never go into Africa. Buzstop Boys, ne tough about no, me I say a problem solving entity and as a group because a problem be if you betimi asi ano kwan na betimi aso ano kwan de a ye beye enti ye education to combat indiscriminate littering ye will be a friend of operation lightening up the city I targeting say the street lights ever call bibia friend is a light any nyina yes I will use a friend adopt and transform. I simply means the obi say be a KTV. Now so KTV be say adopt between Abia Nyameche and La Paz and transform. Now for no mahwe hoka. Adopting and transform simply means there will be dustbins where necessary, there will be carpet grasses where necessary, there will be flowers, anything to make the street sweet biano. You guys will take care of the cost. So these are some of the few things that then the bigger goal needs to be able to change the mindset because like I always say, the mind is the engine of the body, and the mind until the mind begin to work upright, no matter how nice or decent the body is. So the big aim is to be able to change the minds of the youth especially, so that we don't think of going to Canada, but we think of how to better this place for ourselves and our children and our children's children, and for the Ghana to be a better place for all of us. Buzstop Boys there in Ukraine, a bra inspiration ne buy an idea ne buy ne ba ne di ne kan. Because I remember say me Safi, na me obi ametai kompoano. I love the beach, I love water. Until we call no man ametai have fun with nature. So me do punano na me share the via esio ni ma efi na ball and plastics gum na. And I have me genuinely in my soul. So I was looking at the way na met me aboa. So it was this fine day on Monday. Me normally me crowd am tie cup one. So on Monday now me cup na me do hono now me still now I was just me name who didn't come say how do we solve this problem? And then the thing just dropped in my mind and like go and do something like Buzstop.
Is that a bus stop in the hole, Anna?
Yes, but don't say acronym ye neater in so time was she feeling from baponim. From my observation, if the call who if you upon him be anges in Suato and I wash it if free communities named their baponim. So they will a PBB a bit media boama cronim. The towns will be clean. Send away in so tone bar a clean water baponim. So the idea just came with the names there. Go and do something like Buzstop Boys. The only thing I did with my numerology idea with numbers and alphabet, was to coin BUZSTOPBOYS. Yes, that's the only thing I did. But the name Buzstop Boys, then maybe a free buy. Yeah, well, I think 2nd of July 2023. And I'm a Thai call, but on that particular day, was the day for me, I would say the universe sent me an idea. Say, we should go and start something called the Buzstop.
Name which man out of me?
Kokulobite.
Okay.
Kokulobite uremwa. Me aram pe bia ya di so me do kokulobite me san bomb na se kwechiri se na bia menya that serene and quiet environment. Yes, I really ba me trim no me be fie. Me obi I believe in numbers. I believe in numbers. So we be fie then I decided to a dinner about with the Buzstop Boys. Me study and as me study about numerology, the study of numbers. So me be fie I had to coin the numbers in such a way say everything has sounded well in numbers. I believe say I'm running on number 5. So me coining numbers in a way to suit my energy, and then I can be able to channel it through my energy. So be feel na better na say them for B na numerology. B has a number, U has a number, U is 6, B is 2. So we can and I'm Buzstop Boys to suit my energy because I believe that for BBR to be successful, you have to first be successful in your mind. So in my head, Buzstop Boys is the biggest thing anybody can think of. The old dream, they always say, but me my dream that that's how far it is. So the years I calculation in area now it started. The first ever thing that ever started with Buzstop Boys. Me, the then girlfriend, now my wife, of course, proud one. And your chassis. You know more and who said that be involving a lot of energy. So as you train more boys at the beam. So you do what I call and me Kai James Mr. Safo na me call no na chance onia be sen ne enko ye bibi fam wa say ni say ti church mu chere no ono so eje penny
Oba me nchen no one ne yere na se ne den girlfriend e ba me honom no.
Jumba as a couple.
Thing. It's I mean, no at once, and I think say mid or kakra, you some 1-2 be or some cleaning, cleaning be or it's ye and I get quiet no. No. I mean, I was just thinking how I beat mama dear I sustainable and I say it me Gina. It's I was just imagining how the future will be like when it comes to especially send a bit more to ball a good because ni from our own pocket. I think that from then and the next day ni kushia or a penny back on ma for me a bigger team.
Your Bura Malam Junction, Malam Market, a more than summer at the Biabisi or Doko.
Actually, that time now almost 30 years now me Juma. Inti na menam I say break na mama break we Juma inti menam. Na me hu omo e wo kasoa. Ba no mo ni me de hu komo. Ejuma inti na say me enye we. Inti me hu na me say hey ko na me say wo de me ba. Na wo say so unim team brothers you know ya nanti a chenti e share your ho de a
Obu ha o fi on share nim team brothers kwa team brothers ye hwan mo.
Bacho team brothers ye ekuo anase mrantia ye wo asori aye Christo Safo the command branch to be precise.
Christo Safo about Safo Christo Safo.
Bacho the command branch ye wo other guys wo another branches are omo kan ho but more of us no ye wo the command branch nti ye kan ya kai ho abom initially ne ye comedy ne ho nkeka ho ne ya nyama bebre but ye be hu say ye nyinyi no on say comedy dey wo yedu baby a no man kola na wa be som nti ye jama kola no ne ye say ye be to aso ti me hu omo no manage ye pa so after ebia me ye juma kakra na minya time kakra na ma pass by na ma ye so me juma be bibi kakra so I had to stay home. Oh, minya problem kakra we juma nti
boss no kontokwa.
Oh, not necessarily say BBC we juma so I had to stand aside.
I am for Buzstop Boys on.
No, never. Yeah. So my baby fee nti me wo fie no na me ne omo kon kakra sa till now.
Man woman so omo bomb homodin pa na obiara obi say boys any chat won ti ade na ma wo. The be am chirim say I have bit the laptop. Unya tell ya nim say the see stress nko but it will see table so ubufu kwa wait me the see unsem. It is anete just the new na the Buzstop Boys but who come a your mama mpanifo your papa mpanifo omo nyina wo. E ma no so be a teachers. Girl back friend better a teacher ni o nima. Girl back on your friend Ama Sam, ono so your midwife. Lady back on your friend Augustina, ono so your caterer. So e ba na o nyina ewo omo day activities are omo ya omo dey echichechu omo dey cover. And so far omo ya they are doing well.
Friend me Ama Benyowa, me a student of Wisconsin International University. Me read Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I face me a braider, beside a wig maker and hairstylist.
Okasa kwa SNS.
Me that say.
Na so you founding mother of Buzstop Boys. No kwebe no.
Oh, make us say after I am stressed. No, me na me wo honey. Me na me bad first. Yeah.
Yes, Samira about me.
I am find this. Oh, omo yeah, very very nice. So your banner self really say oh yeah, because of Buzstop say be madabi. Me buy no mo Jimmy or feels I need to cry ma me kai. Nka me buy na nka me feel uncomfortable. Me sure say nka me mba do this far. Nti mba mo out there. Me so na mo be kai ho na ye nya adwuma na Ghana enye fair. Ghana enye kra be hwe.
I'm from the northern region and I like to do this kind of work. It gives me joy. Why?
You haven't told us your name yet.
My name is Atintono Naomi.
Nice one.
Yes,
okay.
From Upper East region.
This one.
Yes, so I enjoy doing this and that's why I'm excited because the earth is our home and we have to take care of it. Like it's our responsibility, our duty to take care of it.
Tell me about the women of the movement. I mean, are you just tagging along or you are involved?
I'm involved.
Okay,
I'm involved. Yes. Wholeheartedly, I'm inside. Yes, I don't know.
So when it comes to communal labor, it's a 50-50 for both guys and women, right?
Yes, it's a duty.
Level 300 social work students are to embark on a project helping the community with any problem they see in the community. So we decided to partner with the Buzstop Boys to help clear the streets for the school children.
And how has it been for you so far?
It's been an exciting and beautiful feeling because I've always had this passion to help the community, anything related to community. I just want to be a part of it. So I'm very happy to be a part of this project.
And if there are any young girls out there, any young women watching you right now, what's your message to them in joining this great communal endeavor?
Well, they should help make our nation a better place for ourselves and then the generation yet unborn.
60 years young.
So of course.
And now what is that?
Me come.
And now yeah, Juma, what hanging?
Yeah, 14th May. Yeah.
And now this sister.
Yes.
Oh, Chinkwa, Abisha so.
I've been coming to here.
Now, mommy, sister, there's some call retirement too.
Oh, there be retirement you know.
It's happening what I say.
Well, sure, send a holiday kita me ya. I feel my shop branasi. I feel my shop holiday nasi. Me who say Buzstop. Me who da kuma mi she. Me bisa ho me say. Na ko fa djuma be na wo ye. Wo so se ko be say afa because me pe bibi say ayede aye. Mpoku bi akodwan no won. Se bia wo ye bibi a be de me hu ba jim. Nti me ko ba bi a me mo bi a hu se ba bi a makọ ma ba bi. Nti e me ni gie se ma bodwan no won. Me ba so me ni gie.
I think, say, as a human being, naturally, no, your environment is supposed to be clean. So whether you are a slave queen or whatever you think you are, no, which is your business, cleanliness is I mean, it's part of us. We can't do without it. Because your flood it comes from our inability to clean our environment. And since also you're a slave queen, there's time for everything. There's time to look good, to slay and be your beautiful self. It's not necessarily say no, you do it for yourself. But the environment is very important. Like I always say, Nipa da say if we only understand, say the earth is us and we are the earth, we will know how to take care of it because everything we are seeing in our enjoy came from the earth. So we have no reason to disrespect the earth that provides us with whatever we use today. So your slave queen doesn't really matter. The work needs to be done at the end of the day. Flood bar, it doesn't choose who it takes. The water does its thing.
Me person me catch o me say adwuma no baakofo ain't me ye. This omo beka ho. Na ye fa ne say wuti fie na wo complain say na aban bibi anya aban. So wo ni pana wuti fie no anya bibi anfa amboa ho a aban no so ntimi be ye ne de kakra ne mfa so nti mesra o ma say ye bibi say obi anfa no hunjim say na be ya ebe tumpo ebe ko nanim ntem so
come na me show more life na say ye me meba kama joy de dada and I say akwadro na ye me meba say me meba mati the first day na me join here no na ye achimota mile 7 e ho na me first time me koye na bitina fia menim de ye me na me story say me kwakoye bi ba me koye ni so first day ni de no cry de ba ko first day ni de obebre but as time goes on no obey used to it me first day ni sa na ye me sound back to so to say me cook my back you know very good me trace obi abebaye no ababe join
we na fe ye be preaching na we say man so active lady back e friend adepa o so jeni ba be makam but then no say active Buzstop boy boy juma say oba no take atem man sha because say enyo ba so far so good. Big respect to your man in Tina Fame and so one strong lady behind the support there. It's been quite amazing. Tina Fame so grand nasa reno biya in check here sir. Or to me top 20 cartons, 10 cartons of sachet bottled water. Not the bar or the buyer na me type specifically okay say answer na me jai insurance supply no person who say companies that can see biya besum ama ene vena water asuma or to as so Tina Fame or a prophetess ayin obon no more than asemo kan abim pepe
obi ntimi nim mabunu ho nkomo na yentwa social media enya titwo ne mfie be semiensa ene 9 nia COVID-19 etwam e Ghana ha social media meka wasemi nso ye fapem kese e Buzstop Boys nkunim dia semimo
o hwe generation bia ene de wi a mfa na se omo media sem etie yen generation we beto anase social media beto yen e wo kwam na generally you person who the we are youth bia in every country person who the we omo dwen a aya hwe niam trending on their social media platforms okoba bi say China ye menko ho dade ba say unya Chinese handles na ba utumi say niam trending na artistics and niam nkwala na ye but do bedu ha no ma it appears like ye nyina niam trending ye obi ni obi break up obi ni obi sex sleep even to understand say whole nation can trend a sex sleep
if you come as offense but me stay Accra hanim say me join the Buzstop Boys I check but na me nyam fa me hu be na me join you more live TikTok see me the kind be join the first one and I me say call back to Kumasi jafe na masamba me say be join here
efe say obetu hu esi say obeye adwuma aboa Ghana me hu say na me hu so mo ye me follow mo TikTok me fe and I'm by me buy so any je wo.
For me as a person na me dey bia no me say how do we change social media because if of course in your 1 million Ghanaians talking about bad road and no street light on Temamoto where you get some attention but it appears like that be ye nyina ye interest in you ye nyina shifting from a honey e kan me hu hia so whoever is in charge also feels like na microphone now also ko moto where mo kra no dudu ke. So for me as a person I was looking at how we can also influence the system with positive energy. And that is exactly what the Buzstop Boys have been able to do so far in 1 year and as in 11 months to be able to make other people see no, we can also use the power of social media to do other things. Social media are there because I know how I even get through to BBC, but I had a chance to speak on BBC radio and it's through social media. So wherever it is, whoever you are, no, try to exhibit who you are using the power of social media. Obiana wunya attention, no, 1 or 2 days after starting, but to the consistency shame there, you definitely get there someday. And to social media there, me too chairman or why there.
And this say ya bonuma, obon sa brand bi asim. Ogitum so bi na ye no. Sa agenda that way, negative thought we see enye fi trip. Ni anyire ye ho, amfi ansa anya dwuma, amwaye man, no obi anyina tade em ho. Na si e ba gina ho. Ni akasa se dia, ye bekasa sa na ye wu akọ ni enchirima ababure yen.
Apostle Dr. Engineer Safo Kantanka, aka the African Star. I say he's the bone in the Buzstop Boys in the sense that the motivation and everything is coming from him. In the sense that yes, service to mankind is service to God.
I would say in na say unyeti na say or kasa asem what I can say service to mankind is service to God.
Ye hia no, ye che opaseko. Eda na aba. Brofo na wo de tete oba no a. Wo se oba ni nyini a, wo de be kwabro chire. Na sa Ghana ha nye. De akora ni nyini nya wo didi, wo atu ya na to ha because Ghana ha enye.
Pempi no, how will you bisect these words and I say this statement from him? Because all seven nipa meaning nyame na we den all seven na e ka say nyame a true nyame at least it bit man ka say asase so aye we aboa in the way say eno so na yenya die bedi efri eno so na sebe edan a ye timi eden esi ana say say ekọ bebi eno so ye ye na ntekwanti no to ye no ye befa asase no so say ye nyame nti na de bi e be ya ma asase no aye clean no de ye be ye
Obi akọ school no wadi bone no se be punish no kona kodo enti onu so wi school a onim se ado e punishment ombe to ka so onko dope onu anya.
Service to mankind, service to God. Service to mankind, service to God.
Maka abosa wo ho sem bebre na aseku visa mo sha mu di dwuma yi matima ko hia no enne di nkomode no ka kire wo.
Ye ne na kwakohia mekai ebra broni ne che abobo ya no ye tufi ho no ne ho ne de buy first ne de be kire no
o taifa
na o shey nkran pi no kan sem bebre che no che se no e kire ye no a o mama ye mpeni fo a ye di omo na ase no e kire ye no enkoye ne saa na after no yesanya couple awards near the Sunday corner or sunshine in crime brain wa kan say me bre a chair ya all chairs e ma ya be mu muda yenko so nya de ye no na then nyame ba behwe Ghana
Mumienya tu ho ache honhom ye emrante nyemfa nsie mu se ye betumi aye ma yiye na ye nso a ebeye se de baabi for ye no saa ne nso ebeye se mpanimfo na nyinyini no montumi ntom ho nso a yan mrante de ye tu ye ho asi ho ni ajiga na asi ho na Ghana abeye edim papa krabehwe
utie no so no kasa da bia o se oman ni be ya o se individual bia tim ye bibi edeboa na utie no etie ne nso abo se some empempi na ya na he saddened by say ye mind no nyama ekọ na de ade so service to mankind is service to God and I'm fan say ade e share in crime e me de ye de na anu nti ye mfa no de wo dwen to us this is our service to God through mankind and the me tough about music can say it's everything our catch growing up as a young boy and I say na me nu can you say eba no mankind which is service to mankind service to God na enye me mpo na me de sad ye na shase ono timi so na sorry dom okay baby ti say tamu na soja ban wo so aye say ma obi ampie na ono ne dom timi pie na ye say ye kwasua aburo ye koyo oman adwuma me de me gidi say sa honhom na abi na yenso I nyame ya adom yenso enya e de ye Buzstop Boys no and the all in a way of saying say yes we dey betimi aye amana ye ba betimi aye amana ye say obia individual bia gitum say bibi ewo mu uniquely won say o kosua obi na copy obi but the opposite we bia wa brabo no di kan hwe omu na any omu endwendwen ho and the apostle for there ono na I inspire anyway so far I will do pempen so I them penifo we brase because well which is Safo kojo intifu I ono so you bia onu ne kasa as youth ade bia no I show cry
midin the Safo Robert kojo intifu be oshefo da kuma branch ha eye butaya Buzstop Boys for no ejina so no na we always have a monthly meeting with the youth and we challenge them to think outside the box. Say on tinafa confound sanche with them rifem if they are solely fire by on tinafa ko ye nyoma bebre nti mo nso obi anyere no ho me a me ye mo sofo na de bia obi bia no say ye nyom to say ye den I'm prepared to support you and push you nti edidimo no mo start kakra ni say nyame adom de adum pempen so nti ye de ye ahoho a bebre na nye ye nwanwan so mo aduru sa na dodo na aka wo mo anim a wo mbeye minim so wo amu ni na do mbeji wo anim no matara ako Ghana and beyond
now we say Dr. Isaac say better na because when we are your 4D plastic bottles no cheche no because say Dr. Isaac na be chere wa sorry dem na o chere say onam na no pure water na bottle we are now 4D ni say now to me that anti Dr. Isaac so better na say in general na better omo nyina say mpo omo ehase with mankind na omo so mutimi tu omo si wo ye bie se bi ze ne mpanifo kan edua kwaya edua nketo anim no na ni daachi and ye akoye dua nketo wo kwaya mu de na ye krom na mu tuche to aso se ne na omo shase omo ye
service mankind service to the world is on all day adwuma we na share ase ye ko afuom ye ko sei first no na nka ye ko ono aka ho ye ko clinic ye ko pantan ye ko kolebu ye ko rich ye ko babia akoye se adwuma we
Mididi kwasi oduro me na me ya soro pani woda akoma branch se mo efiri me nchen ameka kire me ma ana me wo fa asefo no se omumia omani dwumadie na omafa no dwuma papa apostle dwumadie a ode sha ase no ebi no service to mankind is service to God and a service to the nation is service to mankind inti dwuma na omu di se omu siesie kuromu ama kuromu ate ama yare akofom no ade a ebeboa oman ni yie na omo hye apostle asem a okan ye no mu kena se de beya kurom bete na yare bekofom ama yetimi atena se ache ama aboa nyamesom ama nyamesom no yetimi asum nyame ama enya akonta papa abu asori nchirechiri mu anom nam se oboa wunua no na je se wo ye de be oboa nyame nti omo nso adwuma na omu di no omo boa enipa se de kurom beti amayare aye de be akofom ebia ontimi nyi sika emma nipa no nemom osiesie mantemu se de be ya yare no be de be ebe kofom wache na de pa na yen nipa no na de bre yen akoyebotom ni ya no no nko an yehu nemom de be ma yare akofom fi se obi yare no kwa yare sabia sika ebegino no ansana ne ho ato no enye sika ketewa malaria ya etu asiti wa mokakra na bia 2 million ana 200 Ghana cedis nanso obesiesie ho no be prapra ho ne hote a aboa no enya kwan nye de be entina ho wache 200 no
ye frame Piesie Safo but dodo na nim say Gabi ni ameka nyina ne say tiasefo yankopon na obo ye ho ban no onkoso enka omo ho onhirehira omo nsa no djuma yes de bia ye papa Apostle Safo na asemo ka ne say wo ho a fa nsa ye bribi na ye nuanom enketoa ye nuanom ne ye wo fasefo ye mba enya saa adwempo kase yi say wo mo de bebo o man Ghana ye wo gidie say nyame na de bi o hye nkran no obebem ama bibia wo mo ye bia aye kra behwe sisi a Ghana ha de obi anim almost start ye nche se na odi nkankan afianso wo mo nya afi bako but omo din ashata obebia obeko bia e bo omo din say Buzstop Boys ni America nyina ne say se na wo mo ahya ase no won fa san kabom na enkoso wo mo yin no ni peti wo mo nka no ni pa ba be frefre mu ni America cha wo no say omo hu sa afoforo be free ma senia omo tew ahyese no omo eni suade hu no omo emma enfiri omo trim anase omo eni so won fa sa eni suade hu na enden enko na yame na okan hu no obedi omo enim kan ede omo akwawie pa
de meka ese omo hyase no hu fezia me hu na me frɛ omo ka che omo se aduna mo ye no mamfo ne se ya agro na modi no na international adwuma pa na mo ye no wote wa paso African star na is adi bi onu bia na wo ye bia no ko send kwana dia and you go beyond Ghana Zoom Lion started say na so mo ne nam kakra afeduru abi no omo ko beyond Ghana ekọ adwon awi na beti mu dachi no mo mfa se mo di agro na mo hyem betre na mbodu akire bebre tem bia na mi hye ma nkranchen sam sa so mo nkoso anti no enje mo nwa se on odu pepeson de na mi se on be ko kwa chen sakura ya
say ana aduru bra awose pagye ya man Ghana obi aya oso pevisa na ne ba akotena brechire na se nyina ye tu ha Ghana ha na be di obi aso ne be kasa abroche ye tsa Ghana na no mechechirem da ye duru ho o man kasa twachi ya no ne ka chom se abroche nye denche Ghana na minim se wo ye tuntum wo firi Africa ha your francophone Africa yeah French for any wo yen so West Africa so yen so ye kana ye brofo ne ye ebinim ka twi ebinim ka mura na me bo wo ye o sa do du tum emu ani mu se obeye wo ma yie na obi nso akopa visa wo ni krom se obehwe Ghana
hwana teye hwana de bae hwana de adwen de bae na hwan kra na didi ni so bae kwajo apostle kasasa apostle na onana de what wodi so tene kasa ba bi chichichi intimpacho kasa mame
edi say o man de hia ne say wo kan ye action before progress